So we were taking a shortcut across the mountain instead of going around it, and I noticed that the road was starting to get narrower and narrower, and until it became almost like a single lane road. But it was beautiful, as you can see. The scenery was nice, but there were no guardrails. As you can see, the road was really hugging steep cliffs. Yeah, this was a beautiful place right there. But you can see one slip, and there's nothing stopping us from reaching the bottom. But anyway, it was a beautiful ride. But I did not know that this road was one of the most dangerous roads. It is called the Murderer's Gulch because this leads to the Graffiti Bridge, which is a very illegal. Right there, you can start seeing the graffiti showing up. And so in days gone by, this place was very famous for murders. The last one was reported in 2007 or something like that. There is no law enforcement here, so they rarely visit this place. So people do all kinds of illegal stuff like graffitis and painting the bridges and stuff like that. But in days gone by, people used to take a boat to cross the river, and they were attacked by robbers and bad people. This was a famous place to cross the river in the gold rush times. But even in modern days, as you can see, there's no traffic here. It was very remote. It was almost desolated. I can't even think what would happen if a vehicle breaks down or something like that. I doubt there's even cell phone reception in this place, being so remote, but I wouldn't be surprised if there is any. But anyway, it was a beautiful ride though, but I think we're almost coming close to the Graffiti Bridge. It should appear anytime soon. Yeah, right there, it's coming into view. And you can see the graffitis starting to show up again. It's even in the side of the mountains. And it's getting more and more, and right there, the bridge is full of spray painted graffiti. Actually, when we stopped there, I could smell the fresh paint. So somebody was doing this very recently. And as you can see, it's covered with graffiti, and based on federal laws, it's illegal to do this. But it is what it is, and it was a very unique thing to visit. But I don't know if you can see the car at the very edge of the bridge on the other side. We thought it's some tourist stopping there to take pictures or something, but when we got closer, it was vandalized, the windows were broken, so something bad happened there. But anyway, that was a reminder that this is not a place to hang out. But it was beautiful. I mean, looking down on the river from the bridge. As you can see, I left the bike running because I did not feel, didn't feel right, so I didn't shut off the bike. So I just left it running, but I did not know anything. It was probably my sixth sense kicking in. But it was a beautiful place, but yeah, not the place you want to be though. But again, we did not know this, right? So we were just hanging around taking pictures. But anyway, it was a very unique trip. And the bridge itself was very unique. I have never seen a bridge painted with so much graffiti before. Alright, cool. So this is going to be a long video. I'll just leave the video as it is. Feel free to forward, do whatever you want. But it was a unique trip. Alright, bye guys. You can still smell the paint.
What's that?
You can still smell the paint. Okay, cool. Yeah, cool. Okay.
That was an awesome road. It's like, whoo!
I saw the sign that says, one car only.
Yeah. 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 Whew.